What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about XYO, which hasn't been performing too well over the last 24 hours. As you guys can clearly see, it has taken a slight dip, down 3% in the last 24 hours, and currently trading at 0.003464 cents. So we're going to be looking at it's 2023 as well as 2024 targets, guys. We don't have that long left to go for the end of the year, so what price targets is there predicted for XYO next year? Is it a crypto to be holding in 2024? Should you buy it now? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? Essentially covering out what is the best option out there in the market, and mainly focusing on XYO as well, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price predictions. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which is here in purple. But we can see XYO is clearly trading at a higher value than the average value, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself, and those of you guys who are looking at what's likely to take place in 2024 as well. So before I go any further, guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting XYO to be more or less trading around its current price range. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly at this specific value, but around that price target is where it should be trading. Again, do expect both green and red candles, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So yeah, no major changes are expected from XYO at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking slightly bearish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading downwards towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting XYO to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, and again, potentially trading around 0.0033 cents. Somewhere between here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. But over the coming days, so over the weekend and early next week, I'm expecting it to increase in value, heading up to about 0.0038 cents is where I'm expecting XYO to be trading at. And by mid to end of next week, it should slowly have dropped back down to around 0.0033 cents is what my expectations are from XYO at the moment. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates about once a week on XYO. If you guys updates on my channel, but if you guys want it more often, and let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on about 3 to 4 times a week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as I expected, we got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So potentially mid to late December 2023, I am expecting XYO to be heading upwards to around 0.004 to 0.0043 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at towards the end of the year. And again, now at the moment is not performing too well. As you guys can see, for the last couple of months it has been doing nothing but dropping in value, and right now it is slowly starting to gain traction, gain value, and that is all because of Bitcoin as well. As you guys know, Bitcoin has managed to hit over $35,000 last week, which did help not just XYO but the crypto market move in a positive direction, and I'm expecting more increases in the crypto market over the coming weeks and months as well, which should have a positive impact on Bitcoin, XYO, and most other cryptocurrencies. Now, talking about 2024, let's move on to the weekly chart, and zooming in here we can see that the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So we do have the green light so far for 2024. We should see more increases in value, and XYO should essentially be heading towards the 1 cent target by Q2 to Q3 of 2024 is what my predictions are at the moment. To some of you guys that may seem like a major pump, and to some of you guys may not seem like a major increase in value, but it is a reasonable amount. But depending on how the crypto market performs, for example, if there's a major pump or a bull run or even a crash, that can have a major impact on the value of not just XYO but the crypto market in general in a positive or negative direction. But either way guys, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as I can, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, 2024 should be good all in all guys for the crypto market in general. I'm expecting more pumps, more green candles from Bitcoin as well, potentially heading to about $55,000 to $60,000 in Q2 of 2024. Again, I know it's quite a long way to go, but time flies guys, and yes, I'm expecting major pumps from Bitcoin, which should also have a positive impact on the crypto market or overall. So XYO heading to 1 cent target is possible if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna, it's gonna consistently hitting green candles and so on and so on. Of course not. It's likely to have little dips in between, red days, red weeks even in between, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. So as you guys can see, the trading volume for XYO has dropped massively down to $559,000, and we have seen an 18% drop in the last 24 hours. Only reason is there hasn't been much movement in the value of XYO. It has dropped about 3% in the last 24 hours. So not many people are buying, not many people are selling it. Most people are just holding on to it at the moment, including myself as well. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your targets for 2024 for XYO. Let me know what's the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit next year, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.